My name is Stephen Gugu, and I'd like to welcome you to this Project Finance Financial Modeling course. Over the next couple of sessions, we're going to be walking through projects, trying to understand them, and building a financial model through that process. In the course of this course, what we'd like to do is to transfer 3 skills to you. The first thing that we'd like to do is to improve your understanding of projects. We're going to spend a lot of time discussing the theory behind project finance, asking ourselves, why is project finance different from corporate finance? Asking ourselves, how do you evaluate project finance related projects that we're given? Asking ourselves, how do we model the debt structures and so forth? And in all these, the idea is to communicate the theory behind project finance. The second thing we'd like to do is to help you build a financial model in project finance. The case study we're going to be using is based on a real estate environment. However, the skills we're going to be using are skills that are going to be transferable, be it that you're building a financial model in oil and gas, in the energy space, in this case renewable energy, in the construction space, maybe you're building a road, and so forth. But the idea is that we'll be able to build a financial model from the beginning till the end. During the process of building this financial model, we shall be helping you with 2 additional skills, and in this case is your Excel productivity will definitely shoot up. We'll be talking about various shortcuts you can use, various formulas, various functions, and so forth. We'll also be talking about the FAST standard, which is a systemized approach to building financial models. And so we are hoping by the time we are done, you should be able to understand those 2 additional aspects. The third thing is around how you evaluate a project. So we're going to spend a lot of time looking at projects and looking at their returns, looking at the debt service cover ratios, looking at the project IRR, looking at the equity IRR, and so forth. And the whole idea is, how do you evaluate a project? Are the only factors which are important financial, or are there also some non-financial factors that you need to be considering? And so by the time we are done, we hope those 3 skills will have been transferred. And just to repeat them again, the first one is understanding of the project finance environment pretty well. The second one is producing a financial model in the project finance space. And the third one is about your evaluation of projects. A bit about myself. I work with Investia Africa Limited, and what we do on a day-to-day basis is work with clients, and we help them in terms of making better decisions using financial models. So we apply our skills in the corporate finance setting, we apply our skills in the project finance setting, and we build financial models, audit financial models, and train in financial modeling. Of course, additionally to all those different things, we also do fundraising for various clients within that space. In the course that we're looking at, we're going to be spending a lot of time on project finance, and we've worked with a lot of clients. And so whenever people ask me, who is this course best for? The best I tell them is, I can go back and look at the clients that we've worked with, that we've trained, and have told us they've enjoyed this course. And these clients have been in various sectors. We've had pension funds who want to put up projects in real estate, in energy, and so forth. We've had banks in their departments, the investment banking, the credit departments, the mortgage departments, who want to understand various projects that they want to invest in. And they've really enjoyed this course. We've also had the education institutions. So we've worked with undergraduates, postgraduate students in various organizations. And not only in Kenya, we've worked with organizations across Africa. And the whole idea has been then helping them to get job ready, because there's a number of finance professionals who want to get to this project finance space. We also worked with project financiers, the different DFIs, development finance institutions. We worked with organizations that create their own project, they're project developers, and in various sectors they work on those different things, and we've trained them to be able to make better decisions as they work through their projects. A bit about myself. I come from various sectors. I've been in the legal sector, I've been in the finance sector, I've been in the accounting sector, and what I've been doing in all those different sectors is really just building my core knowledge to be able to ensure that now when I work with entrepreneurs, I'm able to give them a cross-cutting knowledge, because as you're making a decision, you have to realize that the only key considerables are not just in the finance or in the accounting space. It's not just about the numbers, it's also about how you understand the context. And so we've worked with entrepreneurs, we've worked with private equity investors, DFIs, and so forth. And I'm hoping that in the next couple of sessions, I'm going to be able to communicate all that experience as we work through the case study that we have in front of us. Thank you once again for choosing to be a participant in this course, and I'm hoping that we're going to have a lot of fun as we move through the course. Welcome as we go along in the next couple of sessions.